Hello student, we are providing Centennial online classes as we are working from home. Today I will discuss class 12th chemistry chapter 8 DNF block elements and today topic is properties of KMnO4. In last video already we have discussed preparation and ores of the potassium dichromate. Today I will discuss here properties of KMnO4. Let us start. First properties is here action of heat. Action of heat. Action of heat. First property means what happen when KMnO4 is heated. So now you see when KMnO4 is heated, it will give here the K2MnO4 plus MnO2 plus O2 plus O2. What happens when KMnO4 is heated? It gives K2MnO4 plus MnO2 plus O2, means it undergoes disproportionation reaction and it forms the potassium magnet. This compound is called the potassium magnet. This is called the manganese dioxide, and this reaction is called the disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. Second property is here action of alkalis. Action of alkalis. As you know, alkalis means water soluble base. So question is here, what happens when alkali is added in potassium permanganate solution? In this case, when you will add the potassium, when you will add the KOH or any base in potassium dichromate, this is called the potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate, it reacts with KOH and it will give here the K2MnO4 plus H2O plus O2. Means when KOH react with or alkalis react with KMnO4, means potassium permanganate, it will give here the potassium manganate along with water and dioxygen. Now you can check here oxidation state also. In this case oxidation state is +6 and here +6, means when alkalis is added in a potassium dichromate, it get what? Reduce here and it form the potassium magnet, means reduction of potassium take place. Third property is oxidizing properties of potassium permanganate. Oxidizing properties. Oxidizing properties. As you know, potassium dichromate is a strong oxidizing agent and it can oxidize different compounds in a both acidic as well as the basic medium. In both medium it can work here and it can act as a oxidizing property. First of all, I will see here the oxidizing properties of KMnO4 in acidic medium. In acidic medium. Acidic medium. Oxidizing properties in acidic medium. जैसा कि तुम जानते हो कि यदि KMnO4 एसिडिक मीडियम में क्या होता है कि यह आयोनाइज कर जाता है K प्लस MnO4 minus, and this MnO4 minus means permanganate ions will give here the Mn2 plus. Means it reduce itself in Mn2 plus in acidic medium. अब हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस रिएक्शन को बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा, और ये एसिडिक मीडियम में है तो हम इसको बैलेंस कैसे करते हैं. तो नाउ यू सी हियर, यहाँ पर क्या है, 4 ऑक्सीजन एंड दिस साइड नो ऑक्सीजन इज हियर. सो इन एसिडिक मीडियम you have to place the water molecule. So 4 water molecules you have to place this side, right hand side, and this side how many hydrogen ions, 8 hydrogen ions. जितना वाटर हम प्लेस करते हैं उसका डबल H प्लस आयंस इधर प्लेस कर देते हैं. नाउ आपको चार्ज बैलेंस करना है, तो आप चार्ज के लिए देखो, दिस MnO4 माइनस हैव वन चार्ज, negative charge and 8 positive charge, means 7 positive charges here, because one positive charge will cancel here and 7 charge will remain, and here the 2 positive charge. So what difference is here? Difference is here 5. So 5 electrons you have to place, and this equation is balanced. Means every oxidizing reaction in acidic medium, potassium dichromate will give here this potassium permanganate will give this reaction here like this. Now you see, I will take some example. When potassium permanganate react with potassium iodide, means KMnO4 react with Ki, what will happen? Now you have to see this oxidizing properties of KMnO4. So what will happen? So you have to write the ionic equation. मतलब आपको हमेशा आयनिक इक्वेशन लिखना है. तो क्या होगा कि Ki आयोनाइज कर जाएगा, K प्लस प्लस I माइनस, और दिस I माइनस will oxidize here in I2. You have to balance this one and 2 electrons. अब क्या हो गया, आयोडाइड आयंस जो है सो I2 में बदल गया. अब इसको जब हम बैलेंस करेंगे तो ये क्या होगा, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पर प्लेस करना पड़ेगा. एंड KMnO4 इन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग प्रॉपर्टीज इन एसिडिक मीडियम ऑलवेज गिव दिस रिएक्शन. इस रिएक्शन को आपको क्या करना है, KMnO4 के लिए यही रिएक्शन आपको लर्न करके रखना है. मीन्स यही रिएक्शन होगा यहाँ पर, तो आपको यहाँ पर ऐड कर देना है प्लस 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एंड इट विल गिव हियर द Mn2 प्लस प्लस 4H2O. अब क्या करना है, इलेक्ट्रॉन को कैंसिल करना है. इलेक्ट्रॉन को कैंसिल करने के लिए यहाँ पर 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है और यहाँ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई by 5, and this equation you have to multiply by 2. Then this will cancel here, and now add this spaces here. What you will get, now you see this 2 5 to the 10 means 10I minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus what 16H प्लस. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के सबको ऐड कर देंगे इधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. नाउ इट विल गिव हियर द 5I2 प्लस 2Mn2 प्लस प्लस 8H2O. You will get here the 8H2O. So this reaction is finished. Means this reaction is already balanced here. This is called the oxidizing properties of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Another example also you can take here. So in next video I will discuss. Thank you.